Welcome to Chandru's Insight. Today we are going to see how to remove Hunter 350 seat. On your right side panel you will find one keyhole. Just insert key and turn clockwise. Slowly and firmly pull the panel outside. Give gentle pressure, don't put too much of pressure, put gentle pressure, that's enough. And underneath you will find one lever. Just pull it out and the seat will get attached. As soon as you open the seat, you will find one cover. That is the inside that RE has provided the toolkit. See, this toolkit contains all essential tools like spanner, Allen key, suspension adjuster, and all those things. So keep it safe.